Ever felt tired, sweaty, or just plain uncomfortable while traveling? We've all been there, fighting jet lag, sweating through a long layover, or trying to nap with a sore neck. But what if a few clever gadgets could make your journey way more comfortable? Today, I'm uncovering 6 hidden health and comfort gadgets every traveler should pack. From a water bottle that keeps drinks cold for 24 hours, to a sleep mask that shuts out airplane chaos. These are the secret weapons smart travelers swear by. Ready to travel smarter, not harder? Let's jump in. If staying hydrated is your travel struggle, this bottle will change the game. The Owala Free Sip Twist is more than just a water bottle. It's your hydration buddy on long flights, day trips, and airport marathons. With triple-layer insulation, it keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. And thanks to the patented Free Sip spout, you can sip through the built-in straw or take a swig through the wide mouth opening. Your call. It's leak-proof, BPA-free, and fits in most cup holders. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. Just hand wash the lid. It comes in 18 and 24-ounce sizes. And at just $25, it's a small investment in staying cool and refreshed. Awarded the People Travel Award in 2024, it's praised for its one-handed design and spill-proof lid. The only downside? Some users say it's a little bulky for smaller bags. But if you want a stylish, versatile, and mess-free bottle, this one's a no-brainer. Next up, if you've ever struggled to get real rest on a plane, this one's for you. The Cabeau Evolution S3 is not your average travel pillow. It's built with premium memory foam and designed to cradle your neck from every angle. The raised side supports and flat back keep your spine aligned and your head from tipping. No more waking up with neck pain. The seat strap even attaches to your headrest to keep your pillow in place during bumpy rides. At $67.99, it's an investment, but totally worth it if you travel often. It compresses to half its size, comes with a machine washable cover, and even has a little pocket for earbuds or earplugs. Users love how supportive it feels, especially side sleepers. Some say it can feel a bit stiff at first, but it breaks in nicely. Condé Nast Traveler listed it as one of the best travel pillows for long-haul flights, and for good reason. If your destination is hot, or if you tend to overheat while running around airports, this next gadget is a lifesaver. The Frog Togs Chili Pad is a cooling towel that uses evaporative technology to drop your skin temperature by up to 30 degrees. Just wet it, wring it out, and drape it around your neck or shoulders for instant relief. It's made from soft, hyper-evaporative PVA material and offers UPF 50+ sun protection. At just $14.99, it's one of the cheapest ways to stay cool outdoors, at festivals, or on hikes. The towel can feel stiff when dry, and its storage container is a little bulky. But if you re-wet it and keep it folded, you'll be good to go. CNN_ praised its cooling power. Just watch out for possible dye transfer on light clothing during first use. Bottom line, it's light, reusable, and seriously refreshing. Ever wish your backpack could carry more without actually being bigger? Meet the Airback Backpack, a high-tech carry-on that features a vacuum compression system. With the push of a button, it shrinks in volume by nearly 50%, making it ideal for tight overhead bins or light packers who still need space. It holds between 22 and 48 liters, weighs 3.7 pounds, and is made from water-resistant recycled nylon. Inside, it's organized with RFID blocking pockets, tech compartments, and even a built-in weight scale, so you can avoid those surprise airport fees. It's not cheap, priced at $299, but this is a serious backpack for serious travelers. Reviewers love the back comfort from adjustable air cushions, and the USB-C charging port is perfect for powering up on the go. There's a slight learning curve with the vacuum seal feature, but once you get the hang of it, it's hard to go back to regular bags. Named one of the top backpacks of 2024 for both function and sustainability, this bag is a space-saving superhero. Trying to nap on a plane, in a bright hotel room, or during a long layover? This combo will help you disappear into dreamland. The Matador Blackout Sleep Mask is soft, breathable, and completely blocks light thanks to its bamboo liner and contoured design. Paired with Max foam earplugs, this set is perfect for travelers who need a little peace and quiet on the road. It folds into a built-in pocket for storage, and the adjustable strap fits most head sizes comfortably. Some people with larger heads say it's a bit snug, so keep that in mind. At just $25, it's affordable, portable, and effective. No tech needed. It was named Best Eye Mask of 2024 by the People Travel Awards and praised by CNN_ for its comfort and light-blocking performance. Want to sleep better anywhere, anytime? Toss this in your carry-on. This last gadget is a game changer, especially if you're a light sleeper or traveling with kids. The Yoga Sleep Hush 2 is a compact, rechargeable white noise machine that plays 6 calming sounds, from ocean waves to classic white noise, all designed to help you fall asleep faster in noisy environments. With a 34-hour battery life, a night light feature, and backlit buttons, it's perfect for hotel rooms, flights, or even camping trips. You can clip it onto your backpack, stroller, or suitcase with the built-in carabiner. And at just $30, it's an easy fix for the sleep struggles many travelers face. Parents love how it helps babies nap on the go. Some say it could be a bit louder for super noisy rooms, but overall it gets high marks for simplicity, portability, and peace of mind. And there you have it. 6 hidden health and comfort gadgets that go beyond the basics. Which one are you adding to your travel kit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow travelers, and hit that subscribe button for more smart travel gear and tips. Because your next trip shouldn't be stressful. It should be your most comfortable adventure yet. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.